Okay, today's topic is software management. Software management, nothing but in any OS, how to install a software, how to see which softwares are involved. Sorry, which softwares are installed. Uh, how to delete those, how to uninstall a software, all those things to manage the softwares on a OS on a system. How to do that? That comes under software management. You know how to do that in Windows. In on control panel, you will have a feature like installing and uninstalling a program. There you can go and you can select which package you want to install or uninstall. Sorry, uninstall. There you can uninstall it. If you want to install it, you will get after downloading that package, you will get a setup file, activation file. There you can going through some procedure, you can do that. Whereas in Linux, that is not so. In Windows, it is easy because it is a GUI. Everything will be, you can see everything. Whereas in Linux, it is somewhat different. Okay. So and also for every Linux distribution that may vary. Okay. So in Red Hat Linux, to manage these softwares, that means installing, uninstalling, uh, modifying, updating, verifying, curing. Okay, to do all those things, you're having two tools, two utilities. Okay, these are, one is RPM, that is nothing but Red Hat Package Manager. Second one is Yellow Dog Update Modified. Okay, by using these two utilities, these two tools, you can manage the softwares in Red Hat Linux. Okay, similarly, if you go with Ubuntu, in Ubuntu you're having apt-get. There you can manage using apt-get. If you go with SUSE Linux, there you will have some DNF. Okay, that means that will vary. These utilities will vary based on the distributions. Okay, so distribution to distribution is vary. In Red Hat Linux, you must have knowledge on these two. One is RPM, second one is M. Okay, if you know about these two, then only you can install or uninstall whatever you want to do on the softwares that you can do. Okay, so first of all will see RPM, later we'll see. Okay, M, of course, RPM is somewhat older one compared to M, but still RPM, we are using RPM because of some reasons. We'll see what are those later. So first of all, what is an RPM means? RPM is by name itself a Red Hat Package Manager. It is a managing system. That means it is a collection of tools to manage softwares. Okay, uh, it is a to software management tool for installing. Look here, what it will do is, it for installing, uninstalling, verifying, querying, updating software packages. What this, by using this RPM utility, what we can do is, we can install a package, we can uninstall a package, we can verify whether that package is installed or not, we can query about that software package. Querying means what is the, which version we are using, whether it is installed or not, what are the dependencies we need. Okay, what, everything we will check, and we can update the package. Updating means, if you get a latest version, if you are using the older version, you want to update it, you can update it using RPM tool. Okay, uh, so it is a straightforward. Okay, simply you must know, if you want to work with RPM, you must know about RPM very well, then only you can do it. Okay, you must know about the package very well, then only you can do it. So features of RPM is, it can verify softwares. Okay, again it is repeating. It can be served as a powerful search engine. Search engine means, by using RPM you can verify the information about every software, okay, that is installed. Okay, component softwares etc can be upgraded. That means upgrade means updated using RPM without having to reinstall them. That means if you want to update a software, no need of reinstalling it. Just we can update it by using RPM. Once it was installed, if you want to get the latest version, that means updated version, you can upgrade it without reinstalling it. Okay, just you can upgrade the patch whatever we got from it. Okay, installing and reinstalling can be done easily with rpm. Doing updates, rpm can handle the configuration files very carefully and customize so that customization is not lost. Okay, you will see what are this one by one. Okay, so first look here, we'll see one by one. So there are a lot of commands available in rpm. We'll see one by one. First, to check the packages, all the packages installed in the system, if you use this command, we'll see what are those commands. That is, the command is rpm-qa, okay, where q stands for query. Already I told you, rpm is a package management tool which can query about the softwares. So a for all. So rpm-qa gives the what are all the softwares that are installed in your OS. Okay, install packages only. Okay, next, if you want to see particular package which installed or not, just use rpm-qa and give that package name. If you don't give the package name, it will give all the details. Okay, if you give that package name, it will give the information whether it is installed or not about that one only. Okay, so you can give qa or q. Okay, next, suppose let us consider some package like vsftpd is there. If you ask like this, rpm-qa vsftpd, okay, then it will tell you whether it was installed or not. Okay, so other method is how to check whether the software is installed or not, by using grep, grep command, filtering command. Okay, grep, global regular expression print. Okay, you know that one. So if you forget about that package name, complete package name, you just remember small thing about a word about that package. You can do that by like this, rpm-qa pipe grep hyphen vsft. Suppose vsft is the entire package name. So just if you after that, if I forget pd, then you will enter star. Star means vsftpd, the words that will start with vsftpd, it is a wild card. Star means after that everything, the packages that start with vsftpd, it will be shown every about every package. Okay, we'll practice it right now, then only you will understand it clearly. Okay, okay, look here, before going to that, we have installed our OS freshly, so first of all, you must have the packages in your OS. You need to keep that all the packages in some directory. So for that, what you need to do is, first you need to mount your cd drive. So what you need to do is, uh, to install a software, you must in windows, what you will do, you want to install a software, you must download it from web, or if you are having the software in cd or dvd, you will uh, mount that cd dvd and copy that file, and later you will install it. Okay, if you are having it pen drive, you will mount that pen drive, and you will copy it, and you can do it, copy into your system, and later you will do it, or you can do it from pen drive or cd also. But copying it to your system is better one. In the same way, linux also works in the same way. So for that, what you need to do is, here I am using vmware na. So there, vmware, you need to go to the settings. If it is a physical machine, simply okay, to get all the dump of these software packages, what you need to do in linux is, if it is a physical machine, you'll insert a cd dvd and copy that all the packages, and copy that all the packages into your system. Okay, if it is a vmware, so what you need to do is, go to this vm settings. Okay, okay, go to this vmware settings. There you will find cd dvd, mount this one. Okay, where you're having your iso file somewhere now. So mount, browse that iso file and mount it. Okay, already I have mounted it. Okay, you do it, do that thing. Okay, so after mounting it, where you will find all those things is just simply execute this command, mount command. There you will find a slash dev server on that one, on media. So about slash media. In slash media, the removable disk will be mounted. CD DVD is a removable disk, na? There I have mounted this image, RHL 6.5 x8664 disk 1. Okay, so in this I'm having all the packages. So you need to copy, because it is a temporary one. CD DVD is a temporarily mounted one now. So copy these packages into, I am having all the software dumps in this directory. So copy these to your system. So where you will copy means, make a directory for that. So I am simply making a directory for that one, simply some RHL6. Okay, you will name that with anything. Okay, RHL6, I'm making a directory in slash mk directory. Okay, now I am having a directory there. So now what you need to do is you copy these packages, all the packages in this one, to this directory. First of all, let us check whether those packages are there in slash media RHL. Okay, so for that, move to slash media, shift RHL. Okay, disk 1. So if you don't know the path name, just simply move to media ls. So you're having that RHL, na? Then CD, shift tab button, then you'll move to that. Then if you use ls command, you'll find this, all these things. There you'll have a file, a directory packages. In those packages you will find all those uh, software dumps needed for Linux. Okay, so now you need to copy uh, all these everything in this disk. This disk is mounted na, this packages, these packages to into your directory on your system. Okay, why we need to do is, you need to be in all these packages in your system now. That's why it is in CD DVD drive. You want to copy that CD DVD drive into a directory here. So for that, what you need to do is, you need to copy. How to copy a directory or some number of files, that is cp hyphen rvfp, this command. And which file, source file you know to copy is slash media rhl. While doing this, if you forget that one, every time slash media slash, uh, just type r and use tab button, then you automatically will get it, space, and to which directory you want to copy it, rhl6 slash. Okay, first do this one. If you don't do this one, you don't get all the packages. Look here, what are those things that are copying? All the packages are copying from a CD DVD drive to your directory on the system. This is the basic thing you need to know. So every time, if you want, okay, another way of getting the package dumps is, you can download it from web. That we'll see by using wget command. You can do that, but you must, your system must be configured to access internet, then only you can do that. Okay, so it is a basic way, that is mounting a CD which contains all the packages, copying all those packages to your directory in your system. Okay, so that you will have all these, look here, all these are rpm packages. You can observe it here, all these rpms are. Okay, every package will be end with .rpm, because in red hat it is red hat package manager, no? So then only we can install it. Okay, so it is copying it, it will take some time. Okay, you first do this thing, then only you start working with rpm, then that will be better, you can install. Okay, so now look here, all are copied, all these package copied to all these packages are copied to slash rhl6. Okay, now you'll get all those. Okay, now move to cd slash rhl6. Now I have copied all the packages that are in cd dvd to this rhl6 directory in my system. Okay, look here, all those copied here. Okay, all this copied. If you want to go to inside of it, sorry, okay, look here, all are copied to your system, all these things. Okay, in these packages you will have all the package dumps. These are the some supporting files to configure this rpm. Okay, now what you need to do is, okay, these are just packages that are not installed now. Okay, so there are some packages that are installed on your system. So to see what are the all the packages that are installed on your system, simply run this command rpm-qa. But if you run this command in real time, you a lot of packages are installed, almost some thousands of softwares that are installed in your linux system now there. Okay, so it will give you a long list. Okay, look here, of course my in my system only some of them are installed now. It will give lesser na. Okay, look here, if you run, look here, what are the softwares that are installed on this. Okay, all it is giving all the list. Okay, rpm-qa will give the list of all the softwares. So if you want to count these softwares, just what you need to do is rpm-qa use pipe means it will combine two commands. Okay, so to count the words, wc word count hyphen l, so totally 1127. Okay, so every, look here, it will treat it as a word. Totally it is a word, it is unbreaked na. So totally it is a word. So almost 1127 packages are installed in. Okay, now if you want to see a particular package that was whether installed or not, so look here, which package you want to see. Something okay, genome or some package, copy it. All these are installed now, whether it was installed or not, just I'm checking. Okay, so this httpd genome sorry, genome bluetooth, this one now I'm just copying it, select it. Now check whether this package was copied or not, sorry, installed or not. So for that, what command you need to use, rpm-qa, that package name. So just shift insert. Okay, so just what you need to do is rpm-qa, that package name is genome-bluetooth. This is some package for our system. Okay, sorry, something wrong. Okay, look here, so q, if you don't get the output with qa, then use q. Okay, so it was installed, so it is giving the output like this. If it is not installed, okay, look, some other package, suppose vsftpd pd. So look here, this vsftpd is for ftp. If you want to do ftp between the two servers, so you must have this package. If I queried with that package name rpm-qa, it is telling that it is not installed. Okay, so here it is installed, that's why it is repeating that package name. So this is called q for query. So by using rpm, you can query whether that package is installed or not. I think you understood. If you use just qa, it will give all the packages that are installed on your system. Okay, if you use rpm-q and with the package name, it will give it. If you see whether it is installed or not, you'll do that. Okay, like this. So if it is installed, that will return with that package name. Okay, if it is not installed, it will write like this, not installed. Okay, suppose if you forget, every time you cannot remember all this version, just you remember just genome only, genome thing only. Then in that situation what you need to do is, then in that situation you will do like this, rpm hyphen q shift, okay, sorry, rpm hyphen qa or q. Okay, there you need to grep it, grep hyphen I means case sensitive. So whether it is in small letters or capital letters. Only I know this word only, genome only. After that I don't remember anything. So look here, so it is returning what are the installed packages that are on our OS with the genome. If I have given star, now star means it will treat all the words that start, all the packages that start with genome. So these are the packages that are started with. So just you want to be particular, again bluetooth, you remember bluetooth only, bluetooth also. So for that, okay, for that you remember some more word only. Okay, so bluetooth. After that you forget about that uh, version name. Then again give star like this. Look here, there are two packages that are installed. One is lips, the second one is this one. Okay, of course this is supporting package for this one. Okay, so to install a package you need supporting tools also. Okay, like that you can grep it. So if you forget, if you don't remember entire package name, you can do like this. If you remember, then you can do that by using simply rpm hyphen q like this command. Okay, that is one way of querying using rpm. Okay, next next one is to test a package consistency. The package consistency means before installing a package, whether that package is consistent or not. That means whether that package is compatible to your system. Okay, whether that package is consistent or not, you can do that by using this command, that is rpm hyphen ivh hyphen test. Okay, now I want to test check it using this command. Okay, I want to install a package, finger package. Okay, mm, sorry. Okay, now I want to check whether that finger is installed on. Before doing that, check it, rpm hyphen finger star. It is not installed, finger package. Okay, now I want to test whether that package is compatible, consistent or not. Okay, for that what command I need to run is rpm hyphen ivh, I for install, v for verbose view. That means while installing, that will give the entire description. Okay, h means hash progress. Okay, I'll show you what is the hash progress. And package name, here my package is finger package now, so I need to give that finger. Okay, so before doing that, whatever you want to do, installation or upgradation with rpm, you must do that with rpm into the packages directory only. There only you can install it. So that means rpm is locally. Okay, you need to do that locally while installing a package in rpm. You need to do it in locally. So where are we having all these packages? We are having the packages in, I kept that in rhl6, and again in that only I'm having one more folder. You need to move to that folder also. You completely move to packages folder only. Okay, here only I'm having a lot of this. Here I'm having the all the dumps here, package dumps. So again you need to move to that folder only, capital P, packages. Okay, now you're having all these packages here. Okay, lot of packages. Okay, Here finger package is somewhere. You can check it. It is a time taken one. So if you want to check it, you can grep it. Okay, by using grep in this folder you can check that. Okay, so grep it. Grep hyphen I finger. I don't remember the entire version of finger from these packages. I'm sorry, made a mistake here. Sorry. Or use your just to check whether that finger package is in there not. So you are having all these packages here. Okay, so simple. The command is rpm hyphen ivh. Okay, hyphen test and finger. I don't remember that entire version. Just gives a star. Check it. The version is this one. Warning. Okay, fail dependencies. That means here the dependencies are not there. Okay, again this is the version. Just copy it. I want to be particular. Exact version. Look here. Previously I forgot that name finger. Just I have given that one. Here it was given the entire version. Now uh, so it is telling that it is giving some error. Dependencies are not there. Now I have given the exact version of this one. Okay, now then it is telling it preparing 100%. So if you get 100%, then you can install it. It doesn't fail you. Okay, you can install successfully. You can install it. That finger package. If you get errors, then that is not consistent. That package is not consistent. Even though if you install it, it will not install properly because it will there may be some dependencies may miss. Okay, previously I have given this package like this, but with some okay entire information I have not given, so it is giving some errors. So here I have given completely about that one, so it is giving like this 100% consistency is there. Okay, here I means install to install this package. Okay, v means verbose, it is giving the information verbally. H for hashtag, so it is giving the progress in hashtag ash symbol. Now this in ashes it is giving that like that. Okay, hyphen test will give the consistency. Okay, hyphen test. Before installing a package you can test the consistency of that package by using this one. Okay, now just for that to test whether it is okay. Now if you want to install that package, simple command is rpm-ivh that package name. Okay, if you want to test the whether that package is consistent with your OS or not, you can use hyphen test. If you want to install it, simply hyphen ivh. Okay, we'll do it. I want to install finger package because previously finger package was not installed. But remember that if you want to install that package, if you want to test the consistency, you must move to the directory where your packages are there. I'm having my packages in this folder. Okay, where I kept all the packages here only, RHL6 RHL 6.5 slash package. Here only I can do this one. If you go to some other directory, there the package is not there. Finger package, suppose that is example, finger package is not there. There if you run that command, it doesn't execute. Okay, it will give some errors like that. Okay, so now what I need to do is I want to install finger package. So to install a package using rpm, you can do it locally. Locally means where you kept your package, there only you can run this command rpm ivh. I install v and h are whether you use or not. If you use v and h, then it will show the progress of that installation. If you don't use that one, of course it will install, but you doesn't know whether it was installed or not. Again, you need to do it by querying it. Okay, so to run this command, you must move to the uh, directory where your package was kept. My finger package was kept in this packages directory. So here I am running this command. Look here. So preparing, and it will h. I have used h now. That's why it is giving hashtag 100% installation is done. And v for web was, it is giving that entire information. Okay, key id whatever. I for installation. Now my finger, this finger software was installed. Check whether it was installed or not. Previously I have checked with rpm-q that finger, sorry, finger, it was installed or not. Finger, look here, sorry, something wrong. I didn't get any error na. Why it is not? Okay, wait, just copy this entire rpm. Okay, shift insert. No, it was not installed. Wait,